Mary, who is that?
She is Laura.
Where does she come from?
She comes from France.
Conversation. WH question.
Mary, who is that?
She is Laura.
Where does she come from?
She comes from France.
What does Tom like?
Tom likes pop music.
A cup of tea, please.
How does you drink tea?
I drink tea without sugar.
Hello everyone, my name is Tony Adams.
Hi, Tony. Where are you from?
I come from England.
Where is your favorite place?
Los Angeles.
And what's your favorite singer?
Lady Gaga.
What time is it?
It's 9 o'clock. When do you meet your father?
I meet him at 10.
How does he come here?
He comes here by bus. It's terrible. Why do we stay here?
Because it's cheap.
How much is this? It's $45. And how much does this cost? It's $105. How would you like to pay? Can I pay by credit card? Yes, of course.
Vocabulary.
Everybody. Goodbye, everybody. I'll see you next week. Come. Don't come too near me, you might catch my cold. Cost.
The trip will cost you $1,000.
Favorite. Swimming is my favorite form of exercise. Terrible. The weather was terrible. Cheap. Food is usually cheaper in supermarkets.
WH questions ask for information. Here are the 6 questions and their answers. WH questions in the present simple use do, or be.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What is your name?
My name is Jason.
When do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Why are you angry?
I can't find my key anywhere. How do children go to school? They go to school by bus.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know what topic you want to learn. See you next time.